20 interesting facts about black holes and wormholes.
What is a black hole? Imagine an invisible vacuum cleaner in space that's so powerful, not even light can escape it. That's a black hole for you. Formed when massive stars exhaust their fuel, they collapse under their gravity. They're like cosmic little monsters, munching on stars and gas nearby. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. Cross that line, and poof! You can't come back. Scientists can't peek inside, so they study their effects on nearby stars and gas. Talk about an astronomical mystery.
Wormholes. Shortcuts through space. Wormholes sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But they could actually be cosmic shortcuts through space and time. Imagine a tunnel connecting two distant points in the universe. Instead of traveling across light years, you just hop through a wormhole and voila, you're there in no time. Scientists are still figuring out if they really exist and how to spot one. But how cool would it be to take a quick trip to another galaxy for lunch? Just hold on to your spaceship and buckle up.
Black hole soundtrack. Did you know black holes can sing? Yep. Scientists have discovered that they send out gravitational waves, which are ripples in the fabric of space-time. When two black holes collide, it's like the biggest cosmic orchestra playing the most dramatic notes. These waves travel across the universe, and we can detect them on Earth using super-sensitive equipment. So, next time you're jamming to your favorite tune, think of the black holes out there with their own galactic bangers. Wormhole shapes. Wormholes come in different shapes and sizes. Some might be like a bridge, while others could be more like a tunnel or a loop. The classic idea is a Einstein-Rosen bridge connecting two separate points in space, like a worm snaking through a delicious apple. While some scientists think they might be relatively large, others believe they could be super tiny. Just imagine tiny wormholes floating around. Whatever their shape, scientists are analyzing how they could bend the very fabric of space-time.
Infinitely dense. Black holes are super dense, so dense that a teaspoon of their material would weigh as much as all of humanity. When a star collapses, all its mass gets squished into a tiny point called a singularity. This point has infinite density and zero volume. Mind-blowing, right? So the next time you eat a teaspoon of sugar, imagine it weighing tons if it were made from black hole material. The awesome yet terrifying power of black holes makes them some of the most fascinating objects in the universe.
Black hole time dilation. Black holes create some wacky time effects. When you're close to a black hole, time goes slower compared to someone far away. It's called time dilation. So if you were floating near a black hole, you might feel like only minutes passed when, back on Earth, years have zoomed by. Think of it like having your own personal time machine, just with a very high price tag, your life. It's amazing how black holes can warp time as they warp space. Space is a wild ride.
Hawking radiation. Ever heard of Hawking radiation? It's a super cool concept proposed by the brilliant physicist Stephen Hawking. He theorized that black holes aren't completely black. They actually emit particles over time, causing them to lose mass and eventually evaporate. So you might think a black hole is a giant cosmic vacuum, but it's also a little bit like a leaky bucket. Understanding Hawking radiation helps scientists uncover black hole secrets and shows just how fascinating our universe really can be.
The Great Escape? Not. If you ever find yourself too close to a black hole, you might want to turn around fast. Inside the event horizon, gravity pulls you in like a cosmic roller coaster gone wrong. The closer you get, The more you stretch and squish, this crazy effect is called spaghettification because you'd end up looking like a long, thin noodle. So, next time you're slurping spaghetti, just remember, it's better to eat it than to become it in space.
Can wormholes be traveled? Wormholes sound fantastic, but can we really use them for travel? Some scientists think that if wormholes exist, we might need exotic matter to keep them open. This hypothetical matter has negative energy density. It's like having a quirky cousin that defies the laws of physics. Plus, there are plenty of safety concerns. What if you get sucked into a different reality? For now, we can keep dreaming about wormhole vacations while scientists continue to search for the ultimate cosmic shortcut.
Black holes and stars. Did you know that black holes are often born from dying stars? Yep. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can no longer support itself against gravity, leading to a supernova explosion. The core then collapses, forming a black hole. This transformation is like a cosmic grand finale. Talk about going out with a bang. Stars are like the universe's pop stars. Some shine bright, while others go out in a spectacular way, leaving behind the mysterious black holes we study today.
The biggest vacuum cleaners. The largest black holes are known as ultramassive black holes and can contain the mass of 10 billion suns. They are like the biggest vacuum cleaners in the universe, sucking up stars like they're cosmic dust bunnies. They're found in the centers of galaxies and can grow huge by consuming surrounding stars, gas, and even other black holes. It's a galactic feast. Just imagine how much they could vacuum up if they had a home cleaning service.
Wormhole wonders. Wormholes are like cosmic shortcuts. Think of them as space's version of a secret tunnel. Scientists theorize that if you could travel through a wormhole, you might be able to jump from one part of the universe to another in seconds. It's like teleportation, but on a galactic level. While they're just hypothetical for now, physicists are having a blast, imagining how they could help us bend time and space. So, if you ever dream of zipping around the universe, wormholes are your best bet.
Event Horizon Telescope. In 2019, scientists unveiled the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon. Talk about an epic cosmic selfie. The Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of radio telescopes, worked together to capture this groundbreaking picture of the supermassive black hole in the galaxy M87. It looks like a fiery donut surrounded by a dark center, and the achievement was hailed as a monumental moment in astronomy. So, the next time you take a selfie, think about the cosmic effort that went into capturing that black hole.
The black hole information paradox. There's a mind-boggling mystery with black holes called the information paradox. When things fall into black holes, it seems that information is lost forever. But wait, that goes against the rules of physics. Can it really disappear? Scientists are scratching their heads, trying to figure out just what happens to all that info. Is it stored somewhere in the black hole or sprinkled around as radiation? This question keeps physicists busy, proving that even in outer space, it's not all black and white.
Supermassive stars. A supermassive black hole lurks at the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. We're talking about a mass that's millions to billions times greater than our Sun. These giants are like the grandmas of the galaxy. They've been around for ages. They can gobble up stars and gas, and their gravitational pull keeps everything in orbit, including billions of stars. Studying them helps us understand how galaxies evolve over time. They really are the bosses of the cosmic playground.
Black holes, the great cosmic mystery. Black holes are not just mysterious, they are also a bit like nature's puzzle. Scientists believe they hold clues to understanding the universe's biggest secrets. For example, when matter gets sucked into a black hole, it heats up and releases X-rays, which astronomers can detect. It's like the black hole is flashing a cosmic SOS. The study of these space giants could help us learn more about gravity and even the possibility of parallel universes. So who knows? The next time you look up at the stars, you might be staring at a gateway to another world.
The cosmic mystery of dark matter. Black holes are full of mystery, and they might even help us understand dark matter. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, but we can't see it. It's like the invisible friend you always hear about, but never meet. Some scientists think that black holes could be linked to dark matter, possibly even made of it. By unraveling these cosmic connections, we might learn more about the universe's hidden secrets. So next time you're out stargazing, remember, there's more to the universe than meets the eye.
Time travel twist. What if I told you that wormholes could be a way to time travel? That's right. If you could find a stable wormhole, you might be able to jump to the past or future. Imagine visiting ancient Egypt or checking out flying cars in 3000 AD. However, before you get your time machine ready, there's a catch. Creating or finding a suitable wormhole is super tricky, and they might exist only in theory. For now, we can only hope and dream of that time-bending adventure.
Detecting black holes. Spotting a black hole is tricky since they don't emit light. But don't worry. Scientists have a few tricks up their sleeves. They look for stars orbiting around an unseen companion, checking for X-rays emitted as matter falls into the black hole. Some clever astronomers can even detect those gravitational waves when black holes collide. It's like a cosmic game of hide and seek, and scientists are the ultimate sleuths, using their powerful tools to uncover the universe's sneaky secrets.
Black holes, the cosmic vacuum cleaners. Did you know that black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, but instead of sucking up dust bunnies, they gobble up everything in their path? When a massive star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, creating a black hole. This means not even light can escape its intense gravitational pull. Anything adventurous enough to get too close is pulled in, never to return. So, if you ever find yourself near a black hole, remember, it's not a good idea to stick around for a closer look.